Hi, it's GGCheri. I'm going to attempt today to make scrambled eggs in the microwave in the camper because I don't have pots and pans here. So I went and bought this beautiful mug, and I'm only going to use butter, some salt and pepper, and eggs because I started something else different. I started the carnivore diet, so that's a whole nother YouTube channel probably. So, but we might, I don't know, have it on here since I'm doing food right now. So, we're going to put some eggs. This is the first time I've ever done it. Hopefully you'll see it. So what I'm going to do is add, I don't know, I like butter, so I'm going to say 2 tablespoons, whoops, to the bottom of this mug. Then 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 eggs. And I'm going to grind a little bit of pepper in here because I'll put the salt on at the end. And I'm just gonna kind of mix it up, but the butter's gonna be in there in a big chunk. So kind of keep that butter in there. So, and that's what it looks like the first time, what I'm going with. And I'm going to set the microwave for 3 minutes total, but I'm also going to check it every 30 seconds. I'm going to take it out and stir it. So hopefully we will have some scrambled eggs in less than 3 minutes. Let's run some water. I don't have any water. Okay. So every 30 seconds, I'm going to okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Here's what it looks like. Still looks exactly the same. I hope you can see it. Can you see that? No, you can't. Okay. So it has to be up here. Okay, so I'm stirring. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I think I need to do this. Turn it down. Okay, that was 30 seconds. Go back, start, 30 seconds. Probably be able to delete a lot of this or fast forward it. I think I screwed up. I went too far. Oh, we got some eggs. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but hopefully I can do this and you can see it. Oh, it doesn't look bad. It looks like eggs. I'm just stirring. Stirring it real hard. Okay. Not done. 30 more seconds. Start. I'm not sure what's happening with the camera. Probably missing everything. But I can do this again. Definitely going to. Okay, about 6 more seconds. There we go. Can't take. Ooh, look at that. Looks like that. It's actually looking pretty good. Oh my goodness. I'm actually going to have some awesome eggs here pretty soon. I'm thinking maybe 10 seconds. So like a minute and a half maybe. Minute and a half. A little over a minute and a half we're having eggs. Okay. I'm thinking they're done actually. Let's just do it. Let's get it done. Eggs. Hopefully you can see it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it came out easily too, and it's got all my butter. And then, oh, it just smells like butter. It smells so good. And then, I like the salt. Because of that. And I also have a whole bunch of my bacon over there because I like me some bacon. And we're going to try a piece. Fluffy. Delicious. Beautiful. I'm in. I got it done. This is GGCheri. See you next time. Bye.